Bass player is only partially worthless. Anyway, here we go. Selene, one flop. Sensory bliss. Here we go.
Scream out, don't be scared.
Interesting. This sounds cool.
Living your life in there. Mishearing what you heard.
Snare sounds out of phase.
Misspeaking others' words. Don't leave me with a lie.
Yep. Yeah, the bass is okay. The guitars are okay. The snare is out of phase. That's why it sounds so thin.
Leave me with a lie.
Hey, John Deff, welcome aboard.
Weight of the words you say. On me for several days.
Kick drums should come up.
Rain down verbal abuse. Want me to shelter you.
That like I said, it just sounds like you got to play around with your polarity button on your faders there on your drums, because the kick seems to be lacking bottom end, and the snare does as well. Like the snare, it sounds like you got a top mic and a bottom mic, and you didn't flip the phase on the bottom mic.
Don't leave me with a lie.
Hey, look out, world! You're
Hey,
about to
Brian
witness rock and roll
Mix!
history.
Yeah, that snare should definitely have a lot more bottom on it. So yeah, it's either it's interfering with the overheads or the bottom mic, one or the other.
Whispers,
Bass player can play, that's for sure.
shadows.
Oh, Scambot, that was horrible. You get a timeout for that horrible joke. Go ahead.
Lead me to the garden of belief. Don't leave. Free me from the belly of the beast. Your seeds slowly start to grow into a tree. Solid.
Sounds like the guy can sing though. That's all right.
Enough belief.
I like the fact you actually have a real fucking drummer in this. It's not just a bunch of samples. Groovy!
Solid. Lead me to the garden of belief. Don't leave. Free me from the belly of the beast. Your seeds slowly start to grow into a tree. Solid. Lead me to the garden of belief.
Okay, that was the end of the song. Okay. Hey, Sensory Bliss. Here's a question. Would you like to get maybe that song remixed at some point? That might be a fun track to do, because it just sounds like you've got something to work with, but it just seems it could just use a little bit of beefing up. I like the vocalist. I love that little midpoint breakdown when he went in that little cool groove thing. That was nice. And I like the fact that, you know, there was actually, some fucking intelligence going on with the arrangement. So that was pretty cool. Yeah, they kind of let a little polka there for a minute though, but it worked. It worked pretty well. Yeah, not bad.